Testing your students' knowledge is easy using Complete Anatomy. In the Content menu, there are folders for quizzes and questions. Let's have a look at questions. Here you can see several questions that I've made. Let's make a new question and add this to the collection. A question can be made from any of your screens or the Gray's Atlas screens. I've made this screen to mirror a typical spot question, with one structure highlighted with a label instead of a pin. Using the window on the right of the screen, I can enter a question and some answers. As usual, I have the option to label my question with the region it applies to in order to help me find it later, and specify the location I want to save it in. I can also set a difficulty level for the question. The finished question will look like this. While all questions are in the multiple choice question format, I can use this feature in a couple of different ways. For example, true and false questions, or physiology-based questions.